Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to use my PlayStation. I can't able to connect my PlayStation network. My internet connection is successfully working, but the PlayStation network can't able to sign in. So what's really going on with the PlayStation network? Is there any latest update, latest detail provided by them, or is it a server outage situation going on? When they are going to fix the servers, the PlayStation network? I've got all the details, so let's get right into it. Many people think that PSN is lying, but actually that's not the case. Let me show you the actual solution. So it doesn't matter where you try to sign in, the PlayStation network is simply not able to work. PlayStation network might be temporarily busy and dragging later. This is the error and it says check your internet connection, but obviously internet connection is successful, so it's clearly the PlayStation network issue. So how to fix this PlayStation network issue? Let's get right into all the details. Alright guys, so I was checking out onto the Twitter and here you can see PlayStation network is having some issues as of right now. Many people are reporting we are aware of the issue preventing the same customer from accessing PlayStation network and their network engineers are engaged in working to find resolution. Here you can see and PlayStation 5 is not allowing to log in to PlayStation network and that's why many people are asking the Cox customer care for the help. I'll get to the details in a moment. Many people are thinking supposedly it is an ISP issue that doesn't allow you to connect to the network. So now let me get to that part as well, but here's the thing. Many people are not able to connect to PlayStation network one way or another. And there are tons and tons of reports saying that PlayStation network is not working. Definitely we are seeing some outage reports as of right now on Down Detector 500 outage reports. It's server connection and login issue. Now checking out the PlayStation Twitter official page, there is a update regarding the game updates, the game developments, the latest release, the DLC and all that, but nothing regarding the PlayStation network outage. And that's why I headed over to the Cox customer care, the ISP. So there are many people tweeting out regarding this issue to their ISP. And here's the thing guys, there is a particular problem which relates to your internet connection, because if you actually check out the PlayStation network service status, all services are up and running. Nothing is having an issue. Now it's easy to say that PlayStation network service is lying, but it's not the case. By reading the replies, I have found out one possible solution that you could try, and for some people it is actually working. So you can give it a shot if the PlayStation network is not working for you. Let me get to the fix. So first thing first, there are tons of people reporting that PlayStation network is not working, and here is the thing guys, they are aware and their network engineers are engaged in working to find a resolution. But speaking of the latest details guys, same exact thing happening. PlayStation network servers are glitching and many people think that PSN is lying, but actually that's not the case. Let me show you the actual solution, because you know what, PlayStation having issue but instead Cox knows what they are doing. So here's the thing. So this user getting the problem, having troubles with the Nevada servers and PlayStation network, but having perfect internet connection as well. So what's really going on? So this user replied change your DNS to 1.1.1.1 and it's fixing for most of the people it worked. So here's the thing guys, regarding the PlayStation network, you can go into your PlayStation network settings and then change your DNS to 1.1.1.1 and it's basically Google DNS I think. Now here's the thing, Cox customer care also replied that I'm truly sorry that you had difficulties connecting to PSN PlayStation network. We are aware of this issue and working to resolve it. I'm glad that you found out a workaround and meantime thank you. So here is the thing guys, Cox customers here also replied that this is kind of a workaround working for some people, so you can give it a shot. It's just recent reply, so let me know if the changing DNS worked out for you. If your PSN PlayStation network is working, do let me know in the comments. Once I get any latest detail, I will keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.